Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch Microsoft Excel to dark mode. In order to do that, we're coming to File menu, and from the File menu, we're coming to Options from the left bottom section, clicking this, and from the appearing Excel options, we are coming to the section which says Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. And then from the Office theme, as you can see, it's colorful. We can switch to black, but before that, I want to try some, let's switch to white, press OK. As you can see, the upper menu has totally changed. Once again, we're coming to File, Options, and this time from this menu, we are coming to dark gray, pressing OK. The menu appearance has changed to dark gray. And finally, let's change our Office theme to dark. From the appearing menu, we're pressing black and pressing OK. And as you can see, the menu and everything has switched to black. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.